Next question. Old partners and their capitals are given. Samrat, new partner, is admitted for 1/5 share and he brought 60,000 as his capital. We have to calculate goodwill of the firm. So basically this is a question of hidden goodwill. I hope you remember the formula. It is an important formula. Formula for hidden goodwill is total capital of the firm on the basis of new partner. So in this case, Samrat's capital minus combined capital of all partners. All partners means old as well as new. So we'll add capitals of all the partners. So first part of the formula is total capital of the firm based on new partner's capital. So new partner is bringing 60,000 capital for 1/5 share. We'll cross multiply minus combined capital. We'll add capitals of old partners, which is 80,000 and 50,000 given in the question, and capital of new partner. Samrat is bringing 60,000. So it will be 6 into 5, 3 lakh minus 1,90,000. Goodwill of the firm will be rupees 1,10,000. Second option is correct.